Welcome back to the channel. Well, took a little time off. Gonna start sanding on the old truck again. Gonna be using that long sander. That thing is noisy. But if you want a nice flat surface, you know, the less experienced you are, you know, the more the tools like that help somebody like me. So let's get to sanding, and I'm gonna let y'all watch for a few minutes, and then I know we're gonna spread some more putty because I'm not a professional. You know, professional probably would have done this in 2 shots. It's gonna take at least 3 for me. Maybe more, who knows? Alright, I can't talk with that respirator on. I'm still using a straight edge to check for low spots. Just running along, looking for air gaps, and I'm just trying to fill the air gaps in because this, for the most part, you know, square bodies are pretty square, so you can check your work, you know, with a straight edge like this. And I'll just go along and find a spot that still needs a little more body putty in it, and I'll mark it with a Sharpie, and then I'll put putty in it here in a little bit. I don't know. It didn't record or something, or cut off. It's doing that. Cuts off every now and then. Got some more mud spread. We're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna go outside and move some tractors with the truck. No, I'm gonna move some trailers with the tractor. I'm not gonna move some tractors with the trailer. They're kind of in the way where they're at right now. I put them there when we had the snow. Snow's gone, so I'm gonna go move some trailers. All right. Really happy with the way this feels now. It's getting close. Getting real close. So that's gonna be it for today. It's kind of late on Saturday. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just get this really close and just go ahead and primer it, because I think I'm over body work for a little while. It's going to warm up next week. It's going to be nice. It's going to be in the 50s, low 60s even, maybe even next week. So I think I'm going to go do stuff outside. As long as those, as soon as them logs, all them firewood grounds and everything's not froze to the ground out there, I'd like to start working on some firewood. And till then, y'all just hang tight, and we will catch you later.